What's going on over here?
Stupid thing won't start.
Yeah, it has power. And then it starts right up. So what's the problem? You were gonna take the Escort to work this morning.
Yes.
And what happened?
It didn't start.
Okay.
At all.
And now we just tried to start it, and what happened?
It started. Right up after I called out sick.
Yeah. So we have to figure out why it's being a fucking asshole.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty bad.
And some of that's oil, some of that's antifreeze.
Awesome.
Yeah. He's your progenitor. Oh. Oh, I see. There we go. Oh, God damn it.
That's what you had to do, just pull the wires out? We are gonna head to AutoZone to see if we can get another cable, because that one is not good.
Nah, gotta get a new negative battery cable.
Yep.
Oh, here we are at our local AutoZone.
Show me what we got, man.
So this is our loot. We got one 4-gauge 32-inch battery cable. And then we got battery harness repair splice, which I hope works. Lift and separate. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's my battery tray.
Yep,
That
sure
looks
is.
nice and clean. Look at the mess I made from it.
It is nasty in there.
Good place to stop for lunch.
Yeah, should we just wait? Lunch is served.
Lunch is served. Probably just do this here.
Just cut the entire wire off,
Just this one.
right?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Like that.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
I come in, take a look.
Frame right there.
Yeah, that should work. Alright.
What's the best way to do this? This way. This way. We make stuff happen in our own way. Like super professional, right?
Sure.
Just say yes.
Sure, yeah, totally, dude. Yeah.
And it's just a ground. So
Yeah.
all three of these wires go into here onto this plate,
Yeah.
which just connects to the cable.
Yeah.
So it doesn't fucking matter, they all go to the same goddamn place anyway.
Yeah, I guess it shouldn't, right?
So the blue one went to the smaller part,
Yeah.
and the yellow and black ones went to the bigger one. Well, they all connected separately to this. There shouldn't matter. Blue one and then the other two?
Sure.
Oh yeah, the battery doesn't fit in the tray.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. You know why it doesn't fit in the tray?
No.
Because I got a truck battery instead of a car battery.
Well, that's dumb. Why'd you do that?
Because I'm dumb.
Oh.
Ta-da! Oh look, the cables fell out already. Alright,
Should we test it?
we have to.
Yes. Uh-oh. Nothing happens.
Nothing.
What do we do?
That seems to be a repeating theme to me.
What?
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Well, maybe you should start knowing. It's pretty goddamn embarrassing, honestly.
Look, it's gotten me this far. Honestly, this is probably the easiest way to hold it.
Yeah. Well, it's running.
Yeah, starts
It's
right up.
driving.
Still leaking, but
Fixed
for
up.
another day.
Yeah. We're running out of daylight again.
Yeah, we take too long.
Yeah. We fixed the starting problem, I think. I don't know.
Well, it started twice now.
Now we're gonna go to Home Depot. Your power steering sounds awful. That's really bad, man. It's not supposed to make that sound.
Nope.
I imagine I'm not allowed to film inside it, right?
Probably.
Alright.
No, I mean, you probably come up.
Yeah.
What else do we need?
Well,
Tools.
tools.
I gotta keep it limited because I will buy everything in this guy.
I know.
Dude, this is the other option. Or like this.
Yeah.
Right? Anyways.
Is it an angle grinder? I mean, we do eventually, not right now.
Well, part of it is this isn't really like lid thing. I would drive my raggedy ass car that doesn't have power steering.
No, it has power steering. It just makes a lot of noise when you use it.
Yeah.
I don't see the problem.
Not gonna help.
We bought a new ratchet, a new
Yep.
toolbox,
Toolbox. Light bulbs.
odds and ends we needed for the house.
Yeah.
That's gonna conclude today's video.
Yeah. That's a long day.
Alright.
That's what keeps this from vibrating on this.
Look, it's gooey. Oh, it's so weird.
Yeah, it's like marshmallow.